Good morning, everyone. Let us begin with the business intelligence. The last class we had started with the introduction to business BI intelligence. I just told what exactly the business is. You can do any kind of a business, especially you should remember what that it is, whether it is a product or a service or both the things here. Either you have to start selling the products, or you can give the services a respective product, or you can give both the things. Best example I had given about this what a Honda showroom is where you can sell. We can take the bikes from there, and there itself we will give the services for bike service here. So that we have to check. Today we will begin with the Balris Excellence Framework, and I'll just give a glance what we had learned last class. Let me make a slideshow. Yes, business enterprise organization. You can choose any domain. Example like a retail and banking. Banking also I had given an example that it is a business itself. It is not only the transaction purpose, like whether it is a deposit, withdraw, or any other kind of a transaction. So banking also comes in the terms of the business here. Then manufacturing company. The best example we think about this word Udyam, where itself the manufacturing company is there, they will sell the products and as well as the service also there. Then transport, travel agency will be there, and energy. Main focus for the business, it is what? The main focus for the business is serving to customers. Either you have to give the products or either you have to give the service or both the things. Here itself we can see the point where it is giving serving to customers like products uh, or service both. Okay. Then functions, product research, manufacture. What are the functions of the business here? For what purpose you are going to do? What kind of a business you are going to start? For that purpose, what will be the functions here? So you have to think the product research. What kind of a product you are going to do? What kind of a business? For that purpose, you have to start researching. Example, I was talking about the boys side. They will think about the this what computer. We always think about the cake or any other business it is. We are supposed to start working on that. So that is what called as research, then manufacture. If you are going to sell the products or any prepare any kind of a product here, manufacturing should be there. We take the parts from the this what Udyam Bharat, basic example. Whatever the business you're going to do, you should make sure that the product should be of always quality based here, quality assurance. Quality should be best. Then purchase, how you're going to purchase the other parts or other products, like the vendors will be there, that you should think. And then distribution. If your business is of main organization and there are the small branches which are located here, for that purpose, how distribution you're going to do it. Okay. Then sales, how you're going to sell that respective product. Marketing will come, how you are going to make an advertisement that the customer should come in your organization to take that product. And the main part is what the finance. Finance is also more important for the purpose of profit and loss. So that I have done. Then to start the business from the small organization to the global organization, you are supposed to think about the HRM, which is a human resource management. Today I'll tell you what exactly it will work. And ITM, which is the information technology management. And the main focus where the business comes here, you should always be alert for the customer relationship management, that is CRM, and the partner management. When will it come? Partner management. If you think about this, what starting a normal this what medical shop. Think about the medical shop. Some of the medical shop, we will be having the products of Patanjali also. So they are becoming a partner for the Patanjali products. Normal, what happens on the medical shop, only allopathies will be there. Yes. So in some of the this what medical shop, some Patanjali products also will be there. In the example of DMart itself, you go to the DMart, there you will get the Patanjali products also. If none of the product is not there or not available, we will ask this respective salesman, respective person, we want the so and so Patanjali product. So what they will tell, the products are not there, we have ordered and stock is finished. This they will say. That means the demand is getting communicated or getting in a partnership with the Patanjali products also here. What is happening here? Patanjali products are getting sale, getting marketing, getting more advertised here. Profit is happening here. Okay, and so on. And the last one, I told you that organization of typical business is represented as how your business will work here. So it is this is your enterprise. No matter what kind of a business you're going to do, then to start a business, always you should have a plan. Now this is the company, small for the purpose of corporate it is there here. Then marketing, how your advertisement should be done. Then sales, finance, and how your customer should be managed here. And here information management of what product or what business you're going to do, that information should be there here. Then human resources, who are the employees or who are the people working with the people. And here I had given you the slide, what exactly the business it is there. Have a look for this picture. This is the business model. What will happen? What will come inside the business? You can see the products and service. The main part of the business is what you can sell the products and you can give the services also here. Either you can give only products or think about the services also here. Then core capabilities here. What will be the functions of your business here? Like sales, marketing, human resource management, customer relationship management, procurement, purchase, distribution. This all will come here. Then revenue, what will be your revenue here? Then target customers, who are main customers, who are main clients here, like this way. Then partner network. I have given the example of this word DMart and Patanjali, that is there here. Infrastructure, yes, if you're going to start a business in a small house or in a small shop, infrastructure also matters here. Okay. Then competences, once your business will grow on, it will start having the competition with other companies or other shops or other organization here. So that is also there here. So this competences will come inside the Balrich excellence framework, which is about to come in the next slide. Then management. Yes, the management is also more important. Management will be categorized in the customer relationship management, then human resource management, finance management, sales management, marketing management here. Marketing management also matters here because when we are going to hire the employees, the respective employee should go to the respective areas. I cannot say that alone. Sanjana, you go all the entire Belgaum. No, it is not. We are supposed to distribute it. So that will come this what marketing management also here. Then value configuration. Whenever you are going to do the business of product or what, that product should have some value. Configuration should be there here. If you want to increase your business, you have to think for what price you're going to sell that product here. What will be the values here? Getting then cost. Yes, the cost also matters here because you will be investing a more amount, right? So based on that amount, some profit also should be there here. And the last one, it is what distribution. The distribution will come assuming that you are the main part of the organization. Main branch is big people, and you have created some small branches around your area. There, how the distribution happens here. So this is what the actually business model here. And now, what exactly the organization or the company or the business? An organization that provides goods and services. Goods means you can say product also. Okay, goods and services to customers who want or need them. Both the things. Who want the products and who needs the service also here. Now, normally, when we go to the Honda showroom, for the first time, whenever we purchase a new bike, they will say no immediately. First, yours the first service will be of free of service. So need them. That is what called as a who want or need them is different. Getting who wants the product and need them. Whenever you go to the showroom, they will say that service karayala pahiye. So that is what the need them. Normally, organization or business is of what provides the products and services to customers who want and need them. Then the next question, next topic comes here. Core business functions. Every year they will ask the question for the 2 marks or sometimes for the 5 marks. Rare it is for 5 marks. Give the core business function. Main part of the functions are what? Of course, the first one it is what sales and marketing. Without sales or without marketing, your business will never run. You have to think. And the second part is what product and service delivery. You have to decide whether you're going to sell the products or you're going to give the service to the respective products or both the things. That matters here. Okay. Then quality. Yes, the quality is also more important. If you're having a good quality, then the customers will come near you and your customers will be satisfied and your business will grow here. Product development. What exactly the product development here? Assume that from the beginning itself, let us take the example of this Patanjali itself. You had a one shop where in that shop only you were selling the this what cosmetic products here, only cosmetic products. Then face wash, then after that soap, everything this was that here. So what happens? One customer will come who is a repeatable customer. He or she will tell that, madam, you have to keep other products of Patanjali also, so that we will be not able to go other places. Just start providing here. So what that time what happens where the you are selling only the cosmetic products here or medical products of the Patanjali, you can think of the Patanjali other grocery products also here. So that is what called as a product development. Increasing extra things, adding up the extra things to your business here, how you can increase it. Okay. So with the help of some customers will be only fond of this what makeup, I mean this what cosmetic. Some customers will be having only thinking of the groceries. So you people are in a profit. No, both the customers are coming. Some people will be of both the things. That also matters. Then accounting. Yes, main part it is what accounting. It will be starting from the investment to the selling and receiving the profit from the customers here. Then in accounting, it will come other things also. If you are taking a shop for the rent, you are supposed to think of the giving the rent also, how much amount will be given, how much product you are supposed to buy from outside, and for what cost you are going to sell it to the respective customer here, what profit you will get. Everything you are supposed to manage it. So that is also main part of the this what business where it will come the core functions. Yes. Then human resource management. If you're going to hire employees or hire any people in your company or in your shop organization, you have to think how much you're going to pay to that respective person, how much you will take. So that is there here. Okay. Then supplier management. Normally we say that supplying. Now, recent example, today's live example I'll give you. There is a shortage of this what biscuits. Why? Because of the pandemic period and some of the traveling is not happening from the borders, whichever products are there, it is not coming. So supply is not there. They will say in the shop, supply is not there here. So that supplier management also should be there. Once your products are about to finish, before completing finishing that, before going out of stock, you are supposed to manage with the help of the people who is taking from the supplier here. Getting then legal and compliance. Yes, whenever you open the shop or open the organization, you are supposed to have a license. Getting government should be there here. So you are eligible to start a business, anything here. So legal and compliance should be there. Then thinking of the corporate planning also, when you're going, example, you can think about the Infosys Wipro here. So there the core business functions will come. Procurement. Okay, then purchase. Purchases means what when you're going to take the new products or whichever are their products that should be there. So these are the core business functions. Very easy. You can remember sales, marketing, product service delivery, and then quality, product development. After that, finance, or we can say it as accounting, technology. I have not told the technology. Yes, the technology as 20 years back, what was there here? When we were used to visit the grocery shops, or they were used to write the bill on the paper and give us. But now today, if you see, immediately all the information it is available and the software has got created over there. Just you are supposed to provide what product you have taken, how many quantities you are taking. Immediately the calculation will work as that product barcode it is there. Scanning part is also there. Yes, slowly everything it is coming. So that will work in the technology here. These are the core business functions. Huh. Let me tell you what exactly the core business functions, what will be the resource management, what will be the human resource management, what will be the business process management here. Okay. Yes. Here, can you tell me what is HRM, human resource management? Why I'm asking the reason it is what some of the companies are coming with to this campus selection is happening. So what is happening over there? What are the procedure for the getting selected in the company? Can anyone tell me? Ajay, Indrabhushan, Sanjana, any others? Sonam, how the process will be there to get enter into the company?
Oh, ma'am, aptitude test.
Yes. Then
Then
And
HR
then
round.
technical test.
yeah.
And then if we pass the technical test, then we will be going through this HR round, ma'am.
Yes.
Then after we clear the HR round, then we can enter the company, ma'am.
Exactly. So correct. That was the correct year. Aptitude, HR round, then going with the company. Yes. Who will do this? This will be done by the HR. This will be not done by the director or the CEO of the respective company. This is the job of what HR here. Normally, let me keep aside the HR here. One more example for this, what to start a business here. If you are taking a product from the Amazon, okay, you are buying something. When you are fulfilling that order, you're placing the order. That order is not going to that respective HR, not a director, not a CEO, not any IT person. No, the process is getting worked from order to delivery. Who is handling from the order to delivery? Here, the functions are different, different functions are there for the order process to delivery here. So, what are the functions here? It will start from the selling, sales, SALES, then order what kind of product the company is selling here. Then, after that, who is going to sell that? Then order fulfillment, the respective customer will start filling that all the things here, his name, address, payment, whether it is a GPay, phone pay, debit card, credit card, everything. So that will come. Then deciding the shipment. Then after that, finance, that should be there. So this is the process where it is going to start from order to delivery. What are the functions of that order to delivery? It is a sales, marketing, order fulfillment, then shipment, and it is what? Financial. So this is being done by separate team. If you think about the company, when you people are going to enter into the company, so that will work as a higher graduates, getting higher graduates from campuses. So what will happen here? First of all, the pool campus will come, we will get higher graduates from campuses here. Pool campus means what? All the students of various college will come near you. So that is the pool campus. It is not that if one HR will come in our college and will say that, Sanjana, from tomorrow onwards, you have to join my company. Is that going to happen? No. There is a respective process. This what procedure. Hire graduates from campuses. Who job it is? Who will do this function? This function is getting done by HR of the company, human resource here. Getting it is not being done by the CEO nor our college principal. No, you go and join. No, the procedure is being done by the HR. So, what are the functions of the human resource management? You can see here recruitment. Yes, you are supposed to give the notification. After the notification, as you people have told me that right answer, the aptitude, then might be group discussion, might be the technical round, maybe a HR round. That is being done completely. Then once you complete your HR round, which is being done by HR, यहाँ पे CEO nor director job is not there here. Here the job is being done by completely HR here. Okay. Then after the all the aptitude technical round, group discussion, human HR round, hiring will be there here. Then compensation management. What exactly the compensation management? Your salary will be discussed over here. Performance management. Okay. Your performance will be checked here. What is your percentage at the UG second year, 10 standard, everything they will check here. Then after that, once you join the company, training will be given for your people. What kind of a job you have to do? What will be your task? Training will be there. After completing your training, they will promote you, right? They will promotion will be there here, and then after that transfer. If possible, they will transfer you. You have to visit the respective different states or out of country. But it is there. Once it is done, you will be at the position of the retire. So these all the things will come under the human resource management, getting recruitment, higher compensation management, performance training, promotion, transfer, retire. Here also you can see HR job will be like leadership, potential, employees will be there. Skills are there when you're going to join the company. What skills you people are having, that should be there. Research should be there. What kind of a work we can do, skill improvement should be there. Training, of course, once you join the company, if they will tell you that come and join, come and sit at the desk. What? what you're going to do on the desk, what is your job. For that purpose, training should be there, equipment will be there, your performance. Getting? So this is the job of the HR. This is also the business here. Getting? Then next comes business process management. Yes. Whenever, as I have told you that whenever your business comes, yes, the customers will come here. Without the customer, your business will never run. So let us see here. First of all, have a look over here. Business process management life cycle. What is this here? Here you are supposed to think designing what kind of a business you're going to do. That designing planning should be there. Then modeling should be there. How you're going to execute either manually or either technically, like live online, anything. Monitoring should be there. Once your business has been started, monitoring also should be there, and optimization. So let us have a look exactly what business process management BPM. To start a business, you have all the products, सर्विस का भी काम है आपके पास. अभी कस्टमर्स लाना कहाँ से? That should be there with you people. Create and maintain customer. You are supposed to create. You are not supposed to call, come this side and take my product. No, you have to think how you are supposed to sell the product here. How either you are going to make an advertisement or either you are going to any start this called brochure or pamphlet. Nowadays, if you see, immediately we are having the Facebook page, immediately we start providing the request, drop message for orders. This is what the main part. Create or maintain customer should be there. Once it is done, your second part it is what? Create or maintain material master here. How we are going to maintain those customers here. Create or maintain condition records for pricing. Whenever you start the business for the first time, you have to think of the price also. For the first time itself, you keep the product price 1000, which is available at the different shops for 500. Nobody will come. You have to start thinking the price also here. Lesser amount should be there. So the people will come near you. So condition records for pricing. Now, if you see the pandemic period is there, most of the products have got increased here because of there is a no business. No, that is what the reason. Example, you can think once the petrol price increases, immediately LPG price also will increases. We are not supposed to think about that. So maintaining the condition of the records and prices. Enter and authorize sales order here. How we are going to manage the orders here. Getting like as I have told you that order to fulfillment. Who will take care of that here? Everything. Who has placed the order? How it has been placed? What kind of a payment it has been done? How we are going to make the shipment? How many days it is required? So enter and authorize the sales order here. Convert quote to order here. Normally order quote to order. You go to the this what Honda showroom, they will provide you the quotation for purchasing the car. They will show everything. This is there here. You can use this car. You have a if you take this. If you are thinking about the more amount, there is a some advantage. Quotation they will give. No, once the quotation is with you people, and immediately will start giving the order here. So that's what they have said. Convert quote to order. You are supposed to impress the customer with the help of your marketing style or your way of expressing to the customer so that customer will come near you for the purpose of order here. Validate product configuration. Now, normally, if the customer will come near you and if you start telling, ha, he gadi gya, nobody will take like this way. You are supposed to explain them each and every configuration here. So that is what the validate the product configuration. As you have told, mileage will give so and so. It should happen. Getting then next one, it is what once the order is being placed in the business process management, you are supposed to think, verify the bill. Exact bill should be there here. Shipping should be correct. Payment details here. Verify the bill, what kind of a payment you're going to do, and shipping, how you're going to take, whether you're going to apply the charges, that and payment details here. Getting? So this is the business process management. Here also you can see normal way. Here half of the image is not there. First process will be like a request, quotation. You are supposed to request your customer. Give the quotation to them. Sales order. Once it is being done, after explanation, everything on the quotation, order will come. pack that respective product. The invoice, you are supposed to give the invoice number, right? Because the customers will start tracking that respective order where it is back here, and then receipt here. Okay. After this, you point out the extra, apply discounts. Sometimes what happens, your business is not growing. What you people will think? You will sell that respective products on lesser price and give the discount here. You can give the discount also. Review credit of customer. Yes, important feedback of the customer should be there with you. You are supposed to ask your customer, are you satisfied? We should do any improvement of what in our product purchasing, selling, anything it is required. So that is what the review credit of customer. Verify stock. If you don't check the stock in your company or any shop here, and if you tell to the customer, hi, it is there, yeah, you will say, if the stock is not there, what will happen? Always you should be updated for the stock also. Yeah, if you're going to work in the company, Amazon for the order fulfillment, that time you are supposed to check. And automation should be there here. Normal way on the Amazon or Flipkart, we will say no, we will purchase only one left out of stock. This is being done by those people itself. Then plan delivery schedule here. How many days is required? That also matters. Then after that, request you to switch off the video, please, Rohit. Pack and ship the product here. How we are going to pack and ship the product? Who will take care of that in the business management? It is not being done by completely HR, not CEO. Some teams will be there here. Then billing and cash receipt. Yes, who will be take care of the billing and cash receipt? Contract to renewal. What exactly this contract to renewal? It is what the customer should always come back again to the company here. Getting? So this is about your business process management. So this was today's class. Let me see what is the time now still. I'll give the introduction for the second part. Balrich criteria for performance excellence framework, or you can say it as a Balrich business excellence framework. What is this? As I have told you yesterday, our college has got participated in the NAC every year. I mean, after every 5 years, it will be there. So the NAC people will come, they will check always the infrastructure, then staff profile, students profile, what is the performance, how the accounting finance department is getting handled, if the computer rooms are there, classrooms are there, what is the library condition, everything is being checked in. So similarly, if your company is large, global company is there, global organization company is there, you are supposed to participate in the respective competition, which is being called as a Balrich criteria for performance excellence framework. Here, what are the different criteria are there? Let me explain you two things are there. Organization profile. Here, organization means what company it is there. Inside this, you have to think what will be the environment, how your infrastructure is getting built. Then relationship, how the relationship is getting maintained with your employees, with the other people, everything. And the strategic situation, how your company is organizing. Planning, what plannings they are doing for the achievement purpose for the current year, for monthly, weekly, everything. So this will come the organization profile. And then here, measurement, analysis, and knowledge management. That is separate here. Okay. So the first one, it is what leadership. Second one, strategic planning. I request everyone to mute their mics. Hardly 5 minutes are there with me.
That's a way to.
Yes, I can resume the class now. What exactly Balrich excellence framework? It is what organization profile. आपके company का काम कैसा चलता है? Everything they have to check. Environment, which is like infrastructure, relationship, how you are maintaining the relationship with employees, yourself, everything, and strategic situation. So here, for this Balrich, there are 7 points. 7 keys are there. The first one, it is called as a leadership. Yes, without having any leadership, your company will not run. Someone should be there. Senior citizen should be there. Under his or her guidance, your company should run here. Then second one, strategic planning. what kind of a product you're going to this what sell. I mean, what kind of a business you're going to do. For that purpose, how the planning should be done. Then customer focus. Of course, whenever the business comes, your customer comes here. So for them, how we are going to manage maintaining the customer and creating the customer. Then after that, fourth one, measurement. Measurement means what in your company, how many employees are working, how the products are getting sold. For that purpose, measurement should be there. मतलब weekly इतना इतना sell हो गया. Second week it is getting increased. Suddenly third week it is getting lower. So that measurement should be there. Analysis. You are supposed to analyze whether your company is doing properly or no. In your employee, are the customers getting satisfied? Are the products quality is maintained or no? So that will come. And the knowledge management is also very important here. Getting why updation should be there. That's what. Then fifth one, workforce focus. For your you are supposed to impress the employees also. Infrastructure should be good in your company or organization. Okay. Workforce focus here and operations focus here. For the respective employees or for respective business products, what kind of operation you're going to give, that will come under the operation focus. And finally, it is what results that is there here. So these are the 7 key points of the Balris excellence framework, which will be asked for 10 marks here. So let me show one more slide, then I'll wind up the class. Balris Business Excellence Framework. First one, it is what leadership, strategic planning, customer and market, or you can say it as a customer focus, measurement, analysis and knowledge focus, workforce focus, process management, which you can say is the operations management, and the last one it is what results here. So one by one I'll be telling you for the next class. Tomorrow's leadership, all these 7 points I will wind up. Very easy, it is not that difficult. Leadership means what? Now you can take example of your class itself, GS and LS here, so that is that. Strategic planning, what you're going to do for the this academic year, what are your plans, how you are going to manage the event. We can't do now, but you will decide to, so that is this. So start giving the attendance and you can leave my class. If you have given the attendance, you can leave my class. Stay home, stay safe, take care.